welcome back to the Danish baking show. We see coding as a form of baking, and of course, we would love to share another recipe with you guys.
Today we're gonna make a Danish classic and a tribute to our beloved queen, the Margrethe Cake.
Oh yes! We start off with the chocolate. We are gonna melt it in this bowl, which we are gonna put in this pot and fill it with water. It's slowly filling up. Yes, finished.
Now we just need to put the pot on the hot plate and wait until the water boils. The rest pretty much explains itself. However, we cheated a little bit from home. And here you go, a nice slide of Queen of Denmark, Margrethe II's own cake. Fantastic.
Now it's all up to you out there. Go make your own version of the Margrethe Cake. And now, enjoy the following speaks and your cake.